nakikialam ka sa love life ng mga
Ay,
bata?
palagi, Tito Boy.
Palagi?
Oo, galit na sila sa akin.
Ibig sabihin,
Mommy, you're
yung
too
girlfriend
pakialamera.
nakikialaman?
Pero now I'm good with all the girlfriends. They're all so nice and pretty and decent. I love them. Pero dati sobrang pakialamera ako. Na tinatago na. But my daughter, ayaw niya magsabi ng anything about.
Oh, the bunso, di ba? How old is she now?
She's now 21.
Naku.
In college.
Nakikialam ka?
Ay, nakikialam. Sabi, you know, sa siblings chat, sa family chat, you know, my mom is my boyfriend all the time. Tito Boy, tutungtong pa lang daw siya one step. Where are you going? Where? Kasi naka-Life 360. Tito Boy, pagka wala siyang Life 360, you have to come back to Manila. You can stay in LA.
What do you know about love ngayon?
Love is being patient, understanding, and respect.